friends, I'm Yukti and we are Jalal-abad State Medical University. As you can see, we are entering into the university. This university has many Indian students for medical faculty and this is one of the faculty of Jalal-abad University. As you can see, this is the entrance. Right now it's winter, so there's no much greenery available, but when in summers it's very green and it's very nice. Come. There are more than 400 Indian students. There are more than 400 Indian students studying in medical faculty of Jalal-abad State Medical University, and it's in a bit of far from the capital city Bishkek. But because of this, the students don't have many distractions available, and so that they can focus more on their studies, and the performance of the student gets better because of that. So as you can see, this is Jalal-abad State Medical University. We'll go inside and check out the classrooms and the infrastructure of the university, so that you can understand, if you come to this university, what are the facilities you will see. And you can read it out. Let's see the inside. This is the area where the students come and do the registrations and all. Upstairs?
Upstairs is Dean's office, and here the lecture halls and cafe for students who will get time.
This is the lecture room. Is it open?
Yeah, please.
So you can see it is very much clean and nice. There are windows opening. In the summers, it must be very nice to see all this.
This is the cafe for break time, but this is after lunch.
This is for the lunch cafe. We are going to the dean's office and we'll see the classrooms and lecture halls. Today is one of the functions in the university, that's why the students are not available. But maybe tomorrow we can see some students studying here. This is the faculty of medicine for foreign students. So all the foreign students study for some subjects, they study in this class. These are the classrooms where the students come and study, and this is where the teacher must be in and study some lessons and all. Yeah, the group has 15 to 20 students. As you can see the chairs, number of chairs you can see, only 15 to 20 students are studying in one group. These are some of the informations. This is for, I think this is for histology.
Yes.
You can see the same number of, you can see the quality of the room, and the tables and chairs are very nice here. Same way, this is another classroom. Okay, this is a notice board where the student can get information about the updates of their classes and when any changes is there.
This is the office room.
Oh yeah. This is the students come for their passport registrations and all, and this is the stuff which helps them. The passports are collected here, and the visa is extended, and all the registration, whatever the police registration and hostel registration and university registration is done, it is done here. Pause. It's very nice to see one of the good portrait about Mahatma Gandhi in the Kyrgyzstan University, Jalal-abad University. It shows what kind of respect they have for our country.
We are going to enter Dean's office.
This is Dean's office. Right now, sir is not there, but you can see that the office is well maintained, and Dean of Foreign Student Dr. Shoaib Shahid sits here. Pause. This is the lecture hall of the university. When some esteemed guests come for giving some lecture to the medical students, or there is some good faculty coming over here, then they ask all the students to come and sit for the lecture, and the lecturer gives them some points and some more knowledge about the subject they can understand, and then they can have a look.
Hello, bhaiya.
More than 200 to 50 students at one time, and all the students from all the group, they come here and they take the studies together. They take the lessons of medicine, and you can see here. I think this is of some previous lectures. Some points are mentioned here, which the teacher must have taught them, and this is in English. You can see the language is English, so the medium of instruction of the lecturers are English, so you don't have to worry about the medium of English, medium of instruction that they taught in the university. Also, State Medical University, there is also this ground for basketball and volleyball and other co-curricular activities.
Badminton, internal sports complex.
And all that you can see, the student can also participate on all the sports academy curriculum activities which are done here.
Even we conduct inter-university competitions.
Okay. I've been told that they also conduct some inter-college activities, inter-university activities there. Some championships and all are taken place where the good students get the awards from the university.
They give sports certificates and
Yeah.
they